Hi farmers, do you remember the video that I did on many giving birth? So go to YouTube and search for Fred Dairy Farm, and then you will see a video that I uploaded on when many was calving down. So in this video, this the second one, many has calved down. That video you will know, or you'll see the full body condition of many before she had given birth to she has calved down. So this is the situation now. It is suffering from milk fever in cows. It has that is due to calcium, and what I've learned is the hard way, so these are just a definition of what milk fever is, and also we have the symptoms of milk fever. You will notice all these once the cow have calved down. So what I've learned is the when you are steaming up, you need to prevent this before rather than treating. There's difference between preventing and treating. You have to steam up very well. So these are my friends. The one is having red and brown, those are my friends, and the one who is injecting is my vet, and totally it is foreign on the third day, after I have milked all the colostrum. And what he is doing now, he is injecting what we call calcium, and this guy with the brown t-shirt is the one who is holding the calcium, using the what do you call these? I don't know, I didn't get all the name, but what he is doing is searching for the vein, and it must go to the blood, but you don't have to put it at first or so this must be done by a professional vet who knows what exactly he is doing. So at this time was very, very, very demoralized, because my cow, I've never seen my cow like this, and the body condition has totally changed within the first three days. Look at the body condition of that cow. It has totally changed. So for the new upcoming dairy farmers, you must know that this is not a joke. You must you must be prepared for all these. Within a short time, your cow will be thin. The body condition or the body score of cow will totally drop. So you must be very, very keen when it comes to dairy farming as a venture. You must also know the diseases, like this one for milk fever. It is about calcium. You have to hear, or you have to do research when you are steaming up, because when you misstep, you miscalculate on either the feeding, your feeding regime and all that. Look at that cow. It doesn't have the energy. It is just, when you look at it, like as a passionate dairy farmer, you feel the pain of the cow. Look at the eyes. It seems as if it is dying, but luckily it was treated, and everything went well, and currently it is eating very well. It is standing on its own, and so if you ever find yourself in such a situation, call your vet the soonest time possible, because he told me calcium is everything. It is the one that regulates the breathing, the muscle contraction, everything. And it can kill your cow if you don't act quickly. So you must look at that. When you see such pictures as a dairy farmer, you lose hope, but you don't lose hope, because everything works well. So he changed from the neck vein to the other vein, yeah, we call it the milk bin, but doesn't transport milk, it transports the blood. Yeah, so once you look at your cow like this and you imagine the condition it was before, you feel the pain. Yeah, you feel the pain. Yeah, so these are just my buddies, my best friends. They came to over to see. They are also dairy farmers. They also came to see what was happening and to console me because I was at my lowest. Yeah, so guys, be prepared for this. They don't show you this. They tell you how they make money, but they will never show you such things. So for me, I decided I'll be sharing my ups and downs with each and everybody of you, yeah, so that we demystify, yeah, that thing that they keep on saying, this dairy farming is very profitable, but they are not showing you the dark side of it. Yeah, so at this time I was so much disappointed in myself, but luckily the cow stood up, started eating. I milked, although the milk for now the milk production is very low, but we are working, I'm working on it, yeah, slowly by slowly, and with time everything will be better. So whenever you see you see a cow in such a situation, make sure you call your vet. Because if you don't know, he or she is not on time, actually your cow will go. Yeah, and that is not a plan of any or a wish of any passionate dairy farmer. So we keep on fighting. Yeah, we keep on fighting. We keep on. I don't know what to say, but I saw God's hand that day. Yeah, I've never found myself in such a situation because this is a third cover. So for heifers and second covers is not it's not a common case, but for that covers, and if it is a pedigree cow, be prepared to see all these. So thank you for watching till that end, and I hope I'll keep updating you on the progress of the cow, but for now it is eating well. So thank you for watching. See you in another video.